Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to remove the first occurrence of the element x in the existing array A using a remove method. Very first three lines of this program is non-executable statement which is not executed in the runtime. It is called multi-line command. Multi-line commands are starting with three double quotation, here ending with three double quotation. Immediate next line I am going to assign the array value. Array name is A. Array values you should do within the square bracket. Each elements are separated by commas. So A of 0th location value 5, A of 0th location value 4, A of first location value 5, A of second location value 4, A of third location value 7, A of fourth location value 8, A of fifth location value 5, A of sixth location value 9, A of seventh location value 6. So after assigning this array, this message will print statement. Through print statement, I am printing this message on the screen before removing. After that, the original array will print. A of 0th location value 4 print, A of first location value 5 will print, A of second location value 4 will print, A of third location value 7 will print, A of fourth location value 8 will print, A of fifth location value 5 will print, A of sixth location value 9 will print, A of seventh location value 6 will print. Next line, I am going to assign f value 0. That is flag variable I am going to use in this program. Next, I am going to read the value of x from the keyboard. The innermost function, input function, is used to read the value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message on the screen. Enter the elements you want to remove. This message will display on the screen. After printing this message, the cursor will move to immediate next line. Why? Because here I am using \n. \n is escape sequence character. It will move the cursor to immediate next line. Whatever value I am going to read from the keyboard through input function, it is treated as a string. So you should convert it to integer. For example, my input is 5. 5 will convert it to integer, then it will assign to x. Okay, next line I am going to using loop statement for I value, initial value 0 in the range length of A. What is the array length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, up to 7 it will work. 0 to 7 it will work. Every loop statement is end with a colon. The condition is true, control comes inside the loop. Here I am using x value is 5. 5 equal to A of 0th location value, that is 4. That is 4. Condition is false. Control comes here and increment the I value, and the I value become 1. 1 to 7 condition is true. Control comes inside the loop. X value is 5. A of first location value 5. X value is also 5. A of first location value is also 5. Every if statement is end with colon. So condition is true. Control comes inside. A dot to remove method of x. 5 will remove from the array. First occurrence will remove from the array. After removing, I am going to assign the flag value equal to 1. Then I am going to use break statement. Break statement is used to come out from this loop. Come out from the loop. It will break the control and it come out from the loop. Then control comes here. If f value equal to 0, end with the colon. F value is now 1. Condition is false. The control comes to else part. Else keyword is end with the colon. It will print this message. The element is removed and array value will print. A of 0th location 4 print. Already it is removed. 5 is removed. A first it will become 4 will become first location. So A first location value 4 will print. A second location 7. A third location 8. A fourth location 5. A fifth location 9. A sixth location 6 will print. So another possibility is, suppose x value I am going to read 55. 55 it's not in the array. The value is not available in this array. So for I value 0 in the range. A length is 8, array length is 8, 0 to 7, condition is true, control comes here. X value, A of 0, X value is 55, A of 0th location value 4, condition is false, control comes here and it will increment the I value. I value become 1, then control comes inside the loop, the X value 55, A of first location value 5, the again condition is false, then control comes here and it will increment the I value become 2, 2 less than 7, 2 less than 8, condition is true, 55 equal to 4, condition is false, again control comes here and it will increment the I value, it will become 3, I value 3, X value 55, A of third location value is 7, so condition is false, again control comes here, I value will increment 4, condition is true, 4 less than 8, condition is true, control comes inside the loop, here X value 55, A of fourth location value 8, the condition is false, control comes here and it will increment the I value, that is 5, 5 less than 8, condition is true, control comes here inside the loop, if X value 55 equal to A of fifth location value 5, condition is false, so again control comes here and it will increment, I value becomes 6, 6 less than 8, condition is true, then control comes inside the loop, that is X value is 55, 55 equal to A of sixth location 9, A of sixth location value is 9, the condition is false, then control comes here and it will increment the I value becomes 7, 7 less than 8, length of A is 8, so less than 8, condition is true, control comes inside the loop, 55 equal to A of 7th location value 6, so condition is false, again control comes here and it increment I value become 8, 8 less than 8, condition is false, then control comes to immediate first statement, so if F value is still 0, F value is still 0, F equal to 0, every if statement is end with a colon, so condition is true, F value is 0, condition is true, control comes inside the if and print the message element is not found. According to this array value, 55 it is not available in the array, so element is not found, you can get this message, then control comes immediate next statement, there is no other statement, the program is over, we will see the output, Fi is used to run the program, my input is 5, my input is 5, so A of 0th location is 4, A of first location value 5, 5 will remove and the rest of the element it will store as it is, after remove 4, A of 0th location value 4, A of first location value 4, A of second location value 7, A of third location value 8, A of fourth location value 5, A of fifth location value is 9, A of sixth location value is 6. Okay, this is one possible. Another possible we will see. Suppose my input is 55. 55 it is not available in the array, so element is not found. Element is not found. It won't delete. So program is over. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you may get my videos immediately. Thank you.